Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vasi here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up any TikTok video as a custom ringtone on your iPhone, as I have done right here. So let me show you. Here I have my iPhone, and for this to work you need to have iOS 26 or above installed on your iPhone. To check this, you're simply going to open settings. From here you're going to scroll down, click on general, software update, and it will check for a software update. In my case you can see iOS 26 is already installed. Now you're simply going to go back, and now you're going to open TikTok. So basically here you will search for any video of which audio you want to use as a ringtone for your iPhone. So the best way is simply click on the search bar and you can type ringtone, and it will show you multiple videos as you can see right here. So let's say I want to use this video's audio as a ringtone. You're going to click on the share button. We're going to copy the link. After that we're going to go back. Now you're going to make sure that you have Google Chrome browser installed on your iPhone, and you're going to open the Chrome browser. Here on the search bar you're going to type TikTok to MP3 download. This is because the custom ringtone should be in .mp3 format, and it should not be longer than 30 seconds. So whichever video you are selecting on TikTok, make sure that it is not longer than 30 seconds. Here on the second link, it will be from saveform.net. We're going to open this website. From here it says enter the URL. Just double tap on it and paste the TikTok video URL that we just copied, and now you can see it is processing it. From here by default it will select MP4. You're going to click on this drop down and select MP3. It will just open another tab, so you can close it and go back to the same tab. So yeah, on the bottom we have the save button. Click on save files, and now it's going to start downloading the audio. Click on open in, and we're going to click on open in downloads. Here we have the audio of that TikTok video which we're going to use as a ringtone. And before using it as a custom ringtone, you're going to long press on the audio file. You're going to rename it, and you can rename anything like ringtone.mp3 as you can see right here. Once you have renamed it, as you can see, again you're going to click on these three dots, select that audio file. From the bottom click on share, and from here you should see the option for ringtone. If you don't see it, click on the more button, and from here we are going to see the ringtone button. As you can see, use as ringtone, so we are going to click on it, and you can see it has been set it up by default. If I click on ringtone, so basically you can see the ringtone or the custom ringtone has been set it up from that TikTok video. If I simply go to settings, go back, and here if I simply basically go to sound and haptics, if I'm right, you can see that in ringtone, if I select the primary sim of mine, you can see that this ringtone has been selected. So yeah, in this way you can set up custom ringtone from any TikTok video on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.